You ran out of hot water. Because you repaired any gas pipes. Someone fixed your heating system. Or for some reason you ran out of gas. And your hot water tank has turned off. In this video, we will teach you how to turn it on. Let's start. Put the knob in the off position. Change it to the pilot position. Press it with one hand and keep it like that. With your other hand, press a few times the spark lighter. Check in the viewer if your pilot light turns on. Continue pressing it for a few seconds until the light starts to blink blue, or the type of light that is in normal operation. Ready, now you can select your favorite hot water option. And this is its operation in normal mode. Subscribe for more videos.